Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, I just got the package. I recently just got an upgrade on my phone. So yeah, it's gonna be a little tech review. So yeah, let's get into this. Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so I just got a recent upgrade on my phone. This is the Huawei P20 Pro. I've seen a load of things online saying it was absolutely sick. So yeah, I got an upgrade. So let's get into this. Alright, what we get? Pay monthly business SIM. I already have a SIM. Okay, they gave me a SIM card, but I already got one from O2. So I must die. Okay, so let me break it down. Right now I've got the iPhone 6 Plus something. Okay, major backstory. I was up in London, I was doing parkour. Do you remember the video where Martin, my little boy's cousin, came over from France and we were training with him? The last day he was here, we went up to London and we were just, you know, doing some parkour, bit of training. I literally went up on top of this wall, which was opposite the Thames, and my phone went from my bag, like I think it was strapped here, and just went and it went straight in the Thames. So oh, it was so annoying. It was a brand new Huawei P10 Plus back then, and then I had this old thing, so I've been using this. I hate iPhones. I'm sorry. Android, you're a lot better. Huawei, you're amazing. iPhone, I'm sorry, you're shit. So yeah, I can't do it. I hate this phone. So yeah, I got an upgrade. I'm not sure why they've sent me another SIM card, but there we go. Okay, this is it. Huawei P20 Pro. What is this? Paperwork. Claim your £100 flight voucher. Ooh, flight voucher, yes. I'll be using that. Get cash when you trade in your own device. How much can I get for an iPhone? Because they're shit. Okay, well, we'll do that later. And then just tell them what I've got. Boring. Okay, the most important thing is right here. Woo! Okay. How do we get into this? I haven't got. Do we have any scissors? Ah. Yay! Kitty scissors, man. Right, you can always trust kids, man. They always be leaving scissors around, man. Good parenting. No. Listen. Oh mate, this is the Huawei P20 Pro, 128GB, triple camera, awesomeness. Alright, let's get... What? That is beautiful. Look at that. It's a beautiful phone. Wow. So this phone is slightly bigger than this one because it's like the iPhone X where you get the top bit. I don't know. But yeah, anyway. That's a nice phone. It is a good looking phone. Look at that. I went with the black colour. Like, I know you can get different colours, but see if you can see this. It is really shiny. Look at that. Oh, it's like a mirror. Oh, that is sexy. Not gonna lie. It's pretty sexy. Now, wait. Oh, that sound. Okay. Oh, sick. Okay, it already comes with Gorilla Glass. So that's good. So it protects the screen. What everybody was saying, like on the internet and stuff, was because of the shininess of this, it smudges an awful lot. So probably worth getting a case, which I'll probably get at a later date. What else do we get in the box though? So take that off. That's pretty good. You get the little SIM tool, which is really helpful, so you can push it in. I ordered like online like 15 of these little things. I lost the one I had on my last Huawei. So yeah, I ordered like 15 for like £1. So I got loads of them, but always handy to have another one. What else? What did we get in this? Oh, you get a phone case. Oh, sick. Okay, so you get a free phone case, guys. bam. It's probably not the best thing, but it's going to protect the back and stop it from smudging, keep that nice shiny black stuff. I'll put that on later, but yeah, it comes with a free phone. Protection phone thing, yeah. Boom. What are these? What are these? What are these? Instructions. Quick start guide menu. We don't need those. Okay, so you get the charging brick. It's quick charge. So apparently within half an hour you can get like 60% charge or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's what I heard. But yeah, you get one of those, plus the USB to type. I don't know. I'm not a technology guy. I'm really sorry. Type C. I'm going to say Type C if I'm wrong. Sorry. But yeah, mate, I already have one of these from the last phone because it was the exact same. But yeah, always good handy to have another one. So we got one of those. Then it comes with headphones. Everybody loves some headphones. Oh, these are different. What? Okay, it doesn't have a 35mm headphone jack. Ah, what? I don't own any expensive headphones, so it really doesn't matter. I always like these ones. Okay, so it's like the charging port. It's the slim one, so it fits straight in, which is always good to have. So I'm glad they've done that, because unlike iPhone, they make you buy the 300, 400 quid bloody Bluetooth headphones. They suck. So I'm glad. Thank you very much, Huawei, for the headphones. Yeah. Sick. Okay. Headphones. What is this? What is this? Sick. Okay, so this slots in like that, and then this is the 35mm headphone jack that you can plug in normal headphones to. That's really handy. That's sick. Thank you, Huawei. iPhone didn't do that. Sick, be keeping that. Right, boom. So yeah, this is the unboxing. I got the black version. Yeah, that's what comes in it with, yeah, Huawei P20 Plus Pro. Okay, so I've now synced everything from that to the new phone. I've now got to pop in the new SIM card. Luckily they come with this handy tool. So it's on the side, on the left hand side. Whoop. It's the, oh my god, look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Such a sexy screen. Right. Okay, so with this phone, it's not expandable, so it's 128 gigabytes, which is more than enough, to be fair. Yeah, so you can't stick any other SIM cards in it. That's cool. It doesn't bother me. How do you put this in? Hey. Alright, we in. Right. Boom. SIM card. Oh my god, that's so quick. Alright, so literally it was off. I put my face to it and just straight away open. That's so sick. Oh, it's banging. Oh, it's got to restart. So this is it. Okay, so I pretty much got most things downloaded now. Now I just want to hear the music. I love my music. So, have a little listen. Loud. I get whatever when I want to. So baby, I've been thinking about you. And every moment is a part two. So I'ma do it 'cause I got you. Always keep my options open. You know I care for love and emotion. Alright, well that's good. That is they got some good speakers. Okay, I like that. Just yeah, it's like dual speakers at the bottom. Don't know if you can see, but they're dual, two here. So yeah, that's pretty sick. So yeah, that's like, it's pretty me. That's me done. Like, oh, so yeah, we'll do the camera test in a sec, and I'll do some vlogging on it. We'll go somewhere if it's not raining because it's England. Okay, so this is the first video test that we've got. So yeah, it's pretty good. I've got the headphones in, so it's pretty windy, so hopefully this makes a bit of difference. See that nice blue sky behind me? That rubbish cloud behind me? This is what it's like in England at the moment. It's pretty good, I like it. Very, very soft though. Very soft. Oh my god, my beard, mate. I've got white hairs everywhere. What the hell? Sorry, it's really random this video, but just to kind of show you the video and what it is like. I'm trying to be as smooth as possible. But yeah, pretty good so far. I like it. Okay, so now I'm inside. So yeah, I've now just put it in portrait mode. Portrait. Landscape. Yeah. Sorry about the crappy decor. It's my house. But yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It's good. Good bit of colour. It's very soft though on my skin. Very soft. Makes me look a lot younger. I don't always eat healthy because, you know, you gotta have treats in life. So my treat is a pizza. I've just added some garlic bread because that's a really small pizza. So yeah, just putting it out there.